Vaishali, morning. Vaishali, in a matter of a week from upwards of 23,000 plus, everything was looking hunky-dory. We have come down to 21,650 thereabout. That's where we opened today. And we all know the data which is there on the FNO side. What is the positioning looking like? Which side is risk reward tilted?
So actually, we saw during the week only, as soon as 22,900 levels were broken decisively, we were on a downward trajectory. And so gradually now, I think for this week, we still have further scope for downside and we could go towards 22,350. So that's the target we are looking at. And we have already cautioned our clients, I mean, right from 22,900 breaking, that stay short and look for these targets. So, well, I would say continue, the bias remains corrective unless and until on an intraday purpose we move past 22, 750, 800, we may again see some bounce back coming in. But till then, I would be of the view that yes, we are in for a slide. 22, 350 should be the level to watch for.
Okay, so we are in for a slide. That's the view coming in from Vaishali. But, Kunal, off late the market has been so-called buy on dips. At least that's what brokerages have been recommending. Would you buy the dip if it does open 100-point lower today? Or you're also of the view that Vaishali is saying that we are perhaps headed at least 300, 400-point lower?
See, I think no trade is frankly a much better proposition this time around for the index. And one of the reasons why our markets are falling is because of the global adjustment. Now you look at the last 1 week, 10 days of price movement, Dow Jones has retraced by almost 4 to 5%. European markets have corrected by a margin of 5%. The emerging market indices, Hang Seng, etc., these indices have corrected by a margin of 6% and higher. Now, in that context, our markets have corrected 2%. So, I think that would still be termed as a resilient market as such. Now, the global markets are showing some sort of oversold nature on the indicators, which means in the next couple of days, we could probably be going to a phase of a bounce for the index. And the bigger aspect over here is that Tuesday being the big event day for our for our markets as such, I think it doesn't make sense to initiate any kind of a major trade over here just on the basis of the recent data point as well as some triggers from across the globe, because such kind of events, they can probably swing the markets 5% plus minus on a very minimum kind of a scale. So I think in that context, I think it would be much more prudent to try and not initiate any major trade on the indices.